Okay, let's talk about it because everyone says real estate is the safest way to build wealth, right? But here's the truth that no one wants to say out loud. Traditional real estate investing is kind of dying. Between high interest rates, shrinking margins, and people realizing that they truly don't want to be landlords, the game has completely changed. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 3 reasons why real estate investing, as we used to know it, is officially dead. Let's grab the popcorn and let's get into it. First things first, have we confused owning real estate with actually building wealth? When I first started getting into real estate investing, I thought owning more doors meant more freedom. And boy, was I wrong. It wasn't until I had to answer those late night calls, pray to God that I did not have to answer a tenant message or that check-in went smooth, and on top of that, have to collect and chase down my rent. I had doors, but no peace. And that's when I realized that it's not about how many doors you own, it's about how much time you truly control. When I shifted into more passive projects where my money worked without me, everything changed. I not only had my income, but my sanity back. Whew. So that leads me to my next point. Why are investors still chasing old money models? The way that my parents even built wealth, as an example, isn't the same way that we can build wealth today. Back then, there were obviously lower interest rates for one. 2, the profit margins on the actual acquisition ridiculously low. Now, the numbers just don't add up the same way. I have watched investors hold on to deals around me that just barely cash flowed. And it's honestly because that's the only way that they knew. I've watched investors around me hold on to deals that honestly didn't cash flow because that's all they ever known. The moment that I looked at passive projects as steady returns, not someday profits, that's when I truly saw the real growth. To bring this full circle, what if the future of real estate isn't about owning more doors? What if it's more about partnership and collaboration? Me and my husband, we both used to think that we had to do everything ourselves. We had to acquire the land, we had to develop the land, we had to sell the land. But when we even started partnering with other investors, bringing the debt side and then raising the equity, we realized how much faster and further we can go together, especially when everyone stays in their lane. Some of our best deals have come from, honestly, collaboration, where we bring in the debt, they bring in the equity piece, and we handle all of the construction management and get it to the closing table. Everyone wins and no one burns out. So real estate really isn't dead, but the old way of doing it totally is. The future belongs to people who know how to make their money move without trading their time for it. If you've got $50K or just looking at future opportunities to invest in, I've created a free resource that breaks this down on how I'd invest $50,000 step by step. You can grab it in the link in the description below. Once you understand where the market's going, you stop chasing trends and start actually building legacy. My name's Yasha Wells, and I'll see you in the next video.